Patients do not want dental implants. Patients want a beautiful, healthy smile. And dental implants are just one way to get them there. My name is Pai Eustace. I'm the owner and founder of Renew Dental Implants. I've been doing dental implants since 1998. The reason we created Renew Dental Implants is to help patients get individualized, customized treatment. We're here to focus on nothing but dental implants and smile rehabilitations. We've created this full office to be centered around that. As the founder of Renew Dental Implants, it is our mission to always be up to date with the newest procedures. That way we can get the best possible outcomes for our patients as quickly and as painlessly as possible.
The technology they have definitely impressed me. I didn't realize that they were making the teeth on site. When I found out that it was a 3D printed type of a thing for your prototype, I was so just shocked. I was like, they're 3D printed? That is amazing. The other dentists that I had seen didn't really go into any kind of details on how they did their practice. Also didn't make me feel as comfortable as Dr. Das did.
I just wasn't gonna let anybody do this procedure. I wanted some experience. I wanted to have everything done in one location. My decision was to come see Dr. Das. His credentials are impeccable. Thank God I did. One of the best decisions I ever made.
Here at Renew Dental Implants, we've got a great team. We have Jolie, we have Karen that are able to guide you through the process to help lessen your anxiety level. That way patients are informed at all times and there are no surprises. We understand that sometimes dental anxiety is very paralyzing. We're here to help you.
The day of the surgery, I remember waking up and just, I couldn't believe it. I had...
What do you think?
Oh, I love it. I mean, a full set of teeth. It was very emotional for me. It's been a long time. I love it. And I'm so, so thankful for that. That day of the surgery for me was the best day of my life. The best day. I'm very grateful. I am.
We understand for all patients, this is a tremendous choice that they have to make, and we're going to take really good care of them.
I don't know what else to say other than I'm happy. I got my life back. I'm back in the game, baby.
If you have any questions at all, please contact us at Renew Dental Implants. We'd be happy to sit and chat with you and explore your journey to a new smile and a new life.